under. Come on, Milo, over you come. Good boy. Come on, Milo, you can do this. Through the tunnel.
Milo! Milo!
Lovely. Next jump, we go. Jump with him if you want. Just jump over top. Jump over to see him when he follows.
Quick. Go on, Milo, quick. Hey, well done. And again. Hey, go on.
If you want to cheat, go under.
Hey, well done, Milo. And it.
That's alright. Come on up, Milo. We'll help him up this one, shall we? Milo, come on.
Come on, baby, up you come. He's a good boy. Up you come. Good boy. Come on, darling. Up you come. Come on, baby. I'm here. Come on.
Oh, he's scared.
Milo! Oh, his little face.
Good boy, Milo. Good boy.
He's a clever boy.
Help him.
Come on, darling. Come on. You're a good lad. You're a good lad. Well done.
Oh, bless him. There you go. On to the next jump.
Good boy, Milo. It's okay. I'm here. Don't panic. So everything's going on here. Happy? Come on, Milo.
Say good boy. He's good boy, Milo.
Even the treat isn't enough, is it?
It's very scary for your first time, isn't it, Milo?
Come on. Come on, that's it.
Right. That's it. Coax him down. Yeah, lovely.
Good boy. Well done, Milo. You're a
Excellent.
clever boy. Nowhere.
Here we go. That jump's all ready for you.
Yeah. He doesn't see the point.
Right. This one here.
Go for the water jump, Milo. Thank you.
Right. Well